Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra just can't seem to stay a secret. First, we got those early renders, then a handful of leaks, and now, finally, a real-world photo of the device tucked inside a protective case. And honestly, this is our best look yet at what Samsung's next big flagship could look like when it arrives in early 2026. This leak comes courtesy of Ice Universe, one of the most trusted Samsung insiders, who dropped the image on X. Now, we still don't know if the case is an official Samsung accessory or a third-party option, but either way, it reveals plenty of design details about the S26 Ultra. Looking at the back, the setup feels familiar. 4 cameras, a laser autofocus sensor, and an LED flash, all grouped neatly inside a raised rectangular housing. This lines up with earlier reports suggesting Samsung is sticking with this design instead of returning to the floating lens look they've experimented with before. The case itself features a clear back so the phone's color shines through, while the grippy black rubber sides add some extra durability. And yes, there are even lanyard cutouts, which is something you rarely see on premium phones, but it could be a welcome option for some users. If you zoom in on the corners, they look just a little more rounded than what we saw on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a subtle tweak, not a dramatic change, but it does make the device look sleeker overall. Flip it around to the front, and once again, no big surprises. You've got super slim bezels, a punch-hole selfie camera right in the center, and Samsung's classic flagship design language that they've really refined over the years. So, the S26 Ultra isn't shaping up to be a radical redesign. Instead, it feels more like a polished version of what Samsung already does best. Smaller tweaks for a better in-hand feel, plus whatever performance upgrades are waiting under the hood when it officially launches. And with Apple's iPhone 17 Pro already out, Samsung clearly doesn't want to fall behind, but it also seems like they're doubling down on the features Ultra fans already love. Now, here's the big question. Do you think Samsung is playing it too safe with the S26 Ultra, or are these subtle refinements exactly what a flagship should deliver? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and thanks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.